Human history is filled with mysteries that challenge our understanding of the past. Across the world, ancient civilizations constructed monuments and artifacts that seem to defy explanation, from the Great Pyramid of Giza to Stonehenge and Teotihuacan. Theories proposed by ancient aliens suggest that these ancient builders might have understood, and possibly harnessed, powerful forms of natural or cosmic energy. Were they simply skilled architects, or were they tapping into an advanced knowledge of energy, perhaps with the help of otherworldly beings? Ancient energy in the Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid of Giza has long been a source of fascination and debate. Conventional historians explain it as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu, a grand statement of power and divine authority. However, ancient astronaut theorists offer a different interpretation, that the Great Pyramid was an enormous energy device. The pyramid's precise geometry, alignment with true north, and internal chambers built from quartz-rich granite hint at more than symbolic design. Quartz is known for its piezoelectric properties. It can generate an electrical charge when subjected to pressure or vibration. Some researchers believe the pyramid's chambers may have functioned like resonators, amplifying vibrations from the Earth's natural frequencies. In this theory, the Great Pyramid wasn't just a tomb, but a power generator, capable of collecting and transmitting electromagnetic energy. Modern studies have given this idea new life. In 2018, physicists from ITMO University and the Laserzentrum Hannover simulated how the pyramid's shape could interact with electromagnetic waves. Their results showed that the pyramid could indeed concentrate energy at specific points, particularly within its chambers. While this doesn't prove that the Egyptians harnessed energy, it supports the idea that their architecture may have had advanced physical properties, whether by design or coincidence. Stone circles and the power of sound. Across Europe, mysterious megalithic structures like Stonehenge, Avebury, and Karnak have puzzled historians for centuries. Their massive stones, some weighing over 25 tons, are precisely positioned to align with solar and lunar events. But ancient aliens theorists believe there may be more to these monuments than celestial observation. Recent acoustic studies have revealed that Stonehenge's circular arrangement creates unique sound effects. When drums or voices echo inside the monument, the stones amplify and reflect the sound waves in powerful ways. This suggests that Stonehenge may have been deliberately constructed to harness sonic energy, using vibration and frequency to alter consciousness, enhance rituals, or even move the massive stones themselves. Some researchers speculate that ancient builders used resonant sound waves to reduce the stone's weight, allowing them to levitate or move more easily. While this remains speculative, many ancient cultures, from Egypt to Tibet, emphasize the spiritual and physical power of sound. Could ancient people have discovered how vibration interacts with matter in ways modern science is only beginning to understand? Sacred sites and Earth's energy. One fascinating pattern across ancient architecture is the consistent placement of temples and monuments along geological fault lines or magnetic anomalies. The Oracle of Delphi in Greece, for instance, sits atop fissures that emit natural gases, long believed to induce trance-like states. Similarly, Mesoamerican pyramids such as Chichen Itza and Teotihuacan are built over areas with strong geomagnetic activity. According to ancient aliens, these sites may have been chosen to access telluric currents, subtle electrical flows that travel through the Earth's crust. Ancient priests or engineers might have known how to tap into these natural power sources, channeling the energy for rituals, healing, or even technology. Ancient Hindu and Chinese traditions echo this concept. Hindu texts describe prana, the life force that flows through all things, while Chinese philosophy refers to Qi, or vital energy. These ideas mirror modern theories of Earth's energy fields, suggesting that ancient people may have understood the planet as a living system, filled with power that could be directed and used. The Baghdad Battery and forgotten technology. Perhaps the most direct evidence of ancient electrical knowledge comes from a curious artifact known as the Baghdad Battery. Discovered in Iraq and dated to around 200 BCE, it consists of a clay jar, a copper cylinder, and an iron rod. When filled with an acidic liquid such as vinegar or lemon juice, it can generate a small electric current. Mainstream archaeologists argue it might have been used for simple electroplating, but ancient aliens theorists take it further. Could this device represent an early understanding of electricity? Some suggest that multiple batteries could have been connected to power lamps, transmit signals, or conduct medical treatments. Then there are the Dendera Light reliefs in Egypt, carvings that resemble electric bulbs connected by cords to a power source. While traditional Egyptology interprets them symbolically, others believe they depict a practical technology, an ancient form of lighting powered by energy harnessed from the Earth or atmosphere. Cosmic energy in the stars. Many ancient monuments are aligned not only with the sun and moon but also with stars and constellations. The Pyramids of Giza mirror the three stars of Orion's belt, while Teotihuacan aligns with the Pleiades. These cosmic correlations suggest a profound connection between the heavens and the earth, possibly extending beyond simple observation. In myths from Egypt, Sumer, and Mesoamerica, gods are often described as descending from the sky bringing fire or light. Could this language describe advanced technology, spacecraft or energy devices, interpreted by early humans as divine? Ancient aliens theorists propose that these visitors may have shared knowledge of cosmic energy, teaching humans how to use resonance, magnetism, and electromagnetic power to build their great civilizations. From the Great Pyramid of Giza to the mysterious stones of Stonehenge, ancient monuments around the world continue to baffle modern researchers. Their precise design, astronomical alignments, and enduring construction suggest knowledge far beyond their time. While mainstream archaeology credits these feats to religious devotion and manual labor, the ancient aliens theory suggests another possibility, that ancient civilizations harnessed forms of natural and cosmic energy, perhaps with help from advanced visitors. Could the ancients have understood electromagnetic forces, resonance, or even wireless energy transmission thousands of years before modern science rediscovered them? Let's explore the evidence that suggests they might have done just that. The Great Pyramid. A power plant or a tomb. The Great Pyramid of Giza has long been viewed as a royal tomb, built for Pharaoh Khufu. Yet, even after centuries of study, no mummies, hieroglyphs, or definitive burial artifacts have ever been found inside. This has led some to question its true purpose. Ancient astronaut theorists propose that the Great Pyramid wasn't a tomb at all, it was an ancient energy machine. The pyramid's construction is incredibly precise. It aligns almost perfectly with true north and is built with materials that may have electrical properties. The inner chambers are made of granite rich in quartz, a mineral that generates electricity when compressed, a property known as the piezoelectric effect. The outer casing, originally polished limestone, could have acted as an insulator, while the granite interior conducted energy. According to ancient aliens, this combination could have allowed the pyramid to collect and transmit energy from the Earth's natural vibrations. Some theorists suggest the king's chamber acted as a resonant cavity, amplifying these frequencies and transmitting them through shafts or channels, possibly even wirelessly. Modern research supports some parts of this claim. In 2018, scientists from ITMO University and the Laserzentrum Hannover used computer models to study how the pyramid interacts with electromagnetic waves. They found that the pyramid's shape naturally focuses energy into its internal chambers and below its base. While not conclusive evidence of ancient technology, it shows that the pyramid's design possesses scientific properties beyond what its builders could have known, unless they had help. Stone circles and sonic energy. Thousands of miles from Egypt, ancient monuments like Stonehenge and Karnak stand as silent witnesses to forgotten knowledge. Their builders transported and positioned massive stones, some weighing over 25 tons, with uncanny precision. How they accomplished this remains one of archaeology's greatest puzzles. Recent studies reveal that these sites are not just architectural wonders, they are acoustic marvels. Researchers have discovered that Stonehenge's circular design can manipulate sound waves, creating unique resonance effects. When drums or chants are performed within the circle, the sound vibrates and amplifies, producing powerful sonic patterns. Ancient astronaut theorists believe these sound frequencies may have been intentionally used to harness energy or manipulate matter. Sound, after all, is a form of vibration, and vibration can influence physical objects. Some suggest that ancient builders understood how to use resonance to reduce the stone's apparent weight, allowing them to move enormous blocks without modern machinery. Similar acoustic properties have been found in ancient sites worldwide, from the Mayan temples of Mexico to the great hypostyle hall in Egypt's Karnak temple. These shared patterns suggest that ancient peoples may have tapped into sonic or vibrational energy to achieve their engineering feats. Earth's magnetic power. Another mystery lies in where these sacred sites were built. Many are located directly above geological fault lines or magnetic anomalies, areas where electromagnetic energy naturally flows through the Earth. The Oracle of Delphi in Greece, for instance, sat above fissures that emitted gases capable of inducing altered states of consciousness. Similarly, the pyramids of Teotihuacan in Mexico align with areas of high geomagnetic activity. This recurring placement may not be coincidence. Ancient astronaut theorists believe the ancients understood telluric currents, or Earth energy lines, which are subtle electrical streams running beneath the planet's surface. Temples, pyramids, and megaliths may have acted as energy collectors or transmitters, channeling these natural forces for spiritual, healing, or technological purposes. In ancient traditions, this idea appears as prana in Hinduism, kai in Chinese philosophy, and mana among Polynesian cultures, all describing invisible life energy that flows through nature. Could these ancient spiritual concepts reflect an early understanding of electromagnetic energy? To be continued in Part 2. In the next section, we'll explore artifacts like the Baghdad Battery, the Dendera Light, and other evidence, suggesting ancient peoples may have discovered electricity long before modern science, possibly with a little help from beyond the stars. CO description. Explore the first part of the ancient aliens theory that ancient civilizations harnessed natural energy through pyramids, sound, and Earth's magnetic power. CO title. Did ancient civilizations harness energy? Part 1. Ancient aliens. Keywords: ancient civilizations, Great Pyramid energy, Stonehenge resonance, Earth magnetic power, ancient aliens theory, pyramid energy generator, lost knowledge. Hashtags: Hashtag ancient aliens, hashtag pyramid power, hashtag Stonehenge mystery, hashtag ancient energy, hashtag lost technology, hashtag ancient civilizations, hashtag history mysteries. Did ancient civilizations harness energy? Ancient aliens. Part 2 of 2 to 900 words total. If the Great Pyramid and Stonehenge hint at the ancient understanding of energy, then certain artifacts and carvings suggest that early civilizations might have used electricity long before Benjamin Franklin flew his famous kite. The Baghdad Battery, ancient electricity. In the 1930s, archaeologists near Baghdad discovered a small clay jar containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod. When filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar, it produces a weak electric charge. This simple device became known as the Baghdad Battery and is dated to around 200 BCE. Mainstream archaeologists believe it may have been used for electroplating, applying thin metal layers to objects. But ancient aliens theorists think it's evidence that ancient people understood electricity itself. If multiple batteries were connected together, they could have produced enough power for lighting, medical treatments, or even communication devices. Some propose that the knowledge of electricity may have been passed down from extraterrestrial visitors or a lost civilization like Atlantis, a theory strengthened by similar mysterious discoveries across the globe.